Hey Tiny, what are you doing? Hey guys, Travis from Hammond Engineering here. Got an interesting little project today. A couple of the blokes from a local engineering mob brought in this big old chunk of steel. Their apprentice over there, Henry Mullet, he does grip strength contests. He's a big lad and he can lift a lot of stuff, has a world record sort of level of lifting. So this is going to become a grip strength lifting test thing that will be lifted like that, and it's going to be 80 pounds. If we take a look here on the computer, you can see this is what it's going to be like. So basically just a round piece with slightly curved edges, and yeah, you grab it across that way, but it's much bigger than that. My hands are probably going to struggle to get anywhere near grabbing it, and there is no chance I will be lifting this. And if we go into the properties of that, where are we there? You can see it is 37 kilos, which if you do the maths is about 80 pound. I'll run through the cam side of things and then we'll throw it in the Integrex and we'll machine it. We'll engrave this nice little Final Boss 80 around the outside, and yeah, should be cool. Alright, in the cam side of things, do a setup. We've got it on turning or mill turn. We are starting with 250 diameter by about 150 long, which is going to be just long enough. We will offset that from the front by 0.5, so we've got a little bit more to grab onto at the back. And there we go, there's our material. I've got a couple of templates saved, so I can just do a simple rough and finish template. And there you go, just roughs the face and finishes the face. The outside profile for some reason is not happy. diameter.
Yeah, right.
Oh, that's with 0.6.
Yeah, right.
Feed rate.
Yeah, that's nice.
A little bit of grip about it.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Still looks fucking shiny as.
Yeah.
Limber up.
Yeah, fucking strong man.
Come on, Tiny, road trip time. Jesus. Fingers. Up, up. Come here.
lad. Fucking hell. Freddie, come here. That's going to take some doing, eh?
It is not even within the realms of thinking it's possible.
I'm not even going to bother picking it up.
Jesus.
What do you reckon?
Well, you're about to blow a sleep, which is only a few. You're intimidating.
Oh, can't. Fucking hell. That's like hell, mate. Awesome work. Yeah.
Go on. You can do it, Ned.
Oh, yeah. Fuck that.
I can't even, like, with my hands either side, like, just on the side, not a fucking chance.
Yeah.
Like you can pick it up if you scoop up and eat it, but
I've got a 30. Only a few more kilos. Oh yeah, that's fucking heavy, man. That's exciting. Fuck yeah.
Alright, now put it on the ground, pick it up with one hand.
Fucking does alright, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
I'm not perfect.
Hey, Glenn, I appreciate it.
No worries.
Hey, Vince, too.
Come on. Better when it's further away. It's not even like, you don't even feel like you're picking anything of it up by doing that, it's just slipping.
Well, if you had that on scales, you'd get like 5 kilos, I reckon.
Maybe.
No chance.
$37.3 kilos.
Still good again. Which that makes sense, 37 even.
Yeah.
300 for the strap.
36.7. Yeah.
I reckon this thing would be
82.2 pounds.
with that curve edge on it, like it's that.
It's a nice curve because it's not hard.
Yeah, that's small.
Pretty greasy. I didn't use any coolant, so no slipperiness from that.
Okay.
You can do it, Ned.
Nah.
You're gonna shoot yourself.
11.
Nice.